Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing video. This time it's gonna be more so focused on streetwear. I have two pieces of clothing ordered from Essence this time, and I'll let you guys know once I do open them. You guys can take some guesses below in the comments before, I guess. But here we go. For the record, they're two T-shirts, so nothing out of the ordinary. It's a tough box. Okay. Usually Essence don't pack their boxes tightly. Here's the first piece. It's from the popular streetwear band Social Club. Right here on the back, it's in their signature writing. It's in a collaboration with I don't know this brand what it's called, but it's with a collab with this with them, and then it has Paranoid written across the front, and then you have the second piece here with packaged nicer, I guess. From Billionaire Boys Club. And then, wow, this is a really nice packaging, I'm not gonna lie, guys. So it's coming in its bag. Get it out there. Then, so it's just like Billionaire Boys Club. I think it comes with a sticker. I'm not too sure, but here are the tags. It's got a reflective, nice little reflective tag here. I'm not too sure if this is a sticker, man. It might be. Very well might be. But anyways, here we go. So I got the small. I'm about 5'6". The Billionaire Boys Club, the medium, it runs quite large. So if you're ordering from Billionaire Boys Club and you're around my height, go with the small. For a good fit. And then it has the astronaut here at the back. But yeah, that's pretty much to it. This the bag is actually quite nice. Says wealth is of the heart and not of the pocket. So it's pretty cool. I'm really happy to be adding something from there to my collection. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.